Hi there! In this video I am going to teach you the 3 basic fingerings in order to play Hot Cross Buns. So in that song we are using the notes B, A, and G. Now before we get started I want to remind you again that because of the way I'm filming, what I'm doing, you want to do it backwards. So I'm doing the opposite of what you should be doing. So we always play with the left hand at the top. And there's no option for that. I wish there was, but nope, you have to play with the left hand at the top. And even though Hot Cross Buns only has B, A, and G in it, I also want you to be mindful of what you're doing with your right hand. So my right thumb is actually underneath this hole here, which is going to be for F later on. So my thumb is right behind that hole, and then I'm just gently floating these fingers here, because eventually we're going to be playing songs with the lower notes, and you want the fingers to be hovering over the holes so that you're not always having to double check what you're doing with your fingers. And you can't do that because you're like looking forward, you're reading the music. Okay, so our first note is B. B is played with the first finger and thumb. It is always the first finger. You don't have the option of trying to use this finger or another finger. It always has to be the first one. Every finger belongs to a specific hole on the recorder. So B, again, first finger and thumb of the left hand. A is just one more finger down, and make sure you're pressing firmly with those finger pads and at the back. This is A. And G is first 3 fingers, really make sure you're covering that hole, and the thumb at the back. This is G. Okay, so Hot Cross Buns. Let's get started. Here we have the music for Hot Cross Buns. What I'm going to do is count in. This song is in 4/4 time, which means it has 4 beats per bar. So I'm going to count to 4, and then we're going to play. Gentle reminder, these are half notes worth 2 beats each. This is a whole note worth 4 beats each. And these are quarter notes, and each one gets 1 beat each. Okay, I'm going to count you guys in and I'll sing along. 1, 2, ready, play. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. You can play along with me. You ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Congratulations, you learned your first song. Just wanted to point out, you might have noticed in my playing that I'm making a t sound before each note. This is called tonguing, or the fancy word is articulation, and I actually have a video that's specifically about how to do that, so make sure to check that out. Okay, have fun everyone.